तो क्या हाल है आप लोगों की? उम्मीद करते हो सब कुछ बढ़िया होगा। और एक और दिन हम आ चुके हैं एक और चेंसॉ मैन के एपिसोड के साथ। मैंने ड्रैगन बॉल जी एपिसोड का रिएक्शन स्टार्ट किया था। मैं चेंसॉ मैन को भूल ही गया। आई मीन लाइक एपिसोड नंबर 6 का रिएक्शन करना था। मुझे याद है वो लोग ना एक ऐसे फ्लोर पे फंसे हुए थे जहाँ से अब निकलना उनका नामुमकिन था। मुमकिन कह रहा हूँ, नामुमकिन था। एक और बात, अगर तुम लोग यहाँ पे आए हो, तुम लोग अपलोड देख रहे हो ये वाली, तो मे भी तुम लोगों ने नोटिस किया हो कि मेरे गेमिंग चैनल के लिए का कुछ कंटेंट नहीं आ रहा। इनफैक्ट मैं 2 वीडियोस रिकॉर्ड की थी, मगर वो दोनों की दोनों मैं अपलोड नहीं कर पाया। एक तो मैंने सेव की यार एडिट करके, मुझे गैलरी में मिली ही नहीं अपनी। मतलब मैंने इतनी सर्च की गैलरी अपनी कि मुझे कहीं से वीडियो मिल जाए, मगर वो मुझे वीडियो मिली नहीं। और दूसरी, मैंने अभी मैंने एडिट कह रहा हूँ, रिकॉर्ड की थी मैंने। मेरे पास इसके अंदर इनफैक्ट मेरे पास अपने मोबाइल के अंदर स्क्रीन रिकॉर्डिंग की वीडियोस की। मैंने उसके अंदर फेस कैम यूज़ किया था, इसीलिए मैंने कम्युनिटी टैब में कहा था कि एक यूनिक वीडियो आने वाली है मेरे गेमिंग चैनल के लिए, क्योंकि मैंने कभी ना वहाँ पे फेस कैम यूज़ नहीं किया। वेल, उसके साथ क्या मसला हुआ मुझे दोनों की दोनों वीडियोस एक डिवाइस पर लानी होती ताकि मैं इसको एडिट कर सकूँ। एक स्क्रीन रिकॉर्डिंग की वीडियो, एक उसके अलावा कैमरे की वीडियो, फेस कैम की, जैसे कि मैं यहाँ सामने बैठा हूँ इस चीज़ की वीडियो। तो पता नहीं मेरे टैबलेट के साथ मेरा क्या मसला हुआ है कि टैबलेट है कभी कभार शेयर उसका खुद ब खुद क्रैश होता है। फिर मैं इसको कुछ भी मतलब यूज़ करूँ ना, ऐप कोई भी शेयरिंग के लिए, वो काम नहीं करता। मैंने शेयर ओपन किया, उसके साथ मैंने अभी सेंड की। ये करना ही लगा था वीडियो में अपने इस मोबाइल पे, क्योंकि मैं अपने मोबाइल पे एडिटिंग करता हूँ। वहाँ पे मेरे पास काइनमास्टर का प्रीमियम वर्जन है असल में, इसलिए मैं वहाँ पे एडिटिंग करता हूँ। तो मैंने जब सेंड किया तो बार बार क्रैश हो रही थी। फिर मैंने उसको डिलीट किया। मैंने शेयर मी ऐप किया, उससे किया, वो उससे भी नहीं हुआ। ज़ैपिया से भी नहीं हुआ। व्हाट्सएप का तो फिर होता ही नहीं है ना, व्हाट्सएप से तो होता ही नहीं है। मैंने ट्राई किया हुआ है, व्हाट्सएप से नहीं होता। तो अगर तुम लोग सोच रहे हो कि क्यों नहीं आ रही वीडियोस, तो यही मसला है। तुम लोग को पता चल गया है, मैं बता दिया तुम लोगों को। तो क्या बातें अब काफ़ी हो गई, वदा हेल मेरा माउस नहीं काम कर रहा। अच्छा गया, बातें काफ़ी होगी। अब स्टार्ट करते हैं हमारी स्क्रीन रिकॉर्डिंग इन 3, 2, 1। और हमारी स्क्रीन रिकॉर्डिंग स्टार्ट हो चुकी है। सीधा हम स्टार्ट करते हैं कि क्या हो रहा था। मतलब ना मेरे को ओके, वो फंसे हुए थे। देयर यू गो। हाँ, ये बंदे चेक किया था, लूप फंसा हुआ है लूप में। अराय ओह, पैनिक अटैक।
Hey, Kobeni, put up double peace signs and stay right there.
डबल पीस साइंस।
You're shitting me.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy.
What you think?
Panic.
Got any clue, Aki?
Looks like the work of a devil.
Yes, devil ही कर सकता है, और तो कुछ नहीं है यहाँ पे।
Don't move a muscle, Kobeni.
कोबेनी, वहीं पर आ जाओ। क्या कर रहे हैं भैया? किसी कमरे में गया आकी? What? कैसा रूम है? कितना प्यारा रूम है।
Why is a room on the other side of those windows?
क्या मतलब इस बात का? फंसे हुए हैं, समझ नहीं आई क्या चल रहा है। क्या चल रहा है? अभी तक इसने डबल पीस साइन किए, मतलब आगे से गया रूम में, पिछले रूम से आया। कंप्लीटली निकल ही नहीं सकता।
Apparently so. We're stuck.
This is interesting.
Trapped on the 8th floor.
8th फ्लोर पे ट्रैप हो गए हैं ये लोग। ओके, 8 चल स्पैम कर रहा हूँ, जल्दी जल्दी हो जाना। चलो ओके, स्टार्ट हो गया। फंसे पड़े बेचारे के सारे, बेजार बैठे हुए हैं। हेलो, क्या कर रहा है? वो डेंजी लेटा हुआ है।
So just to recap.
हाँ,
we're currently bound to the 8th floor, no matter how many times we try to leave. And it's likely due to a devil.
Yep.
The elevators are inoperable.
Yes.
And there's no way out via the rooms or windows.
बिल्कुल भी नहीं।
Even climbing through the ceiling led right back to the 8th floor.
अजीब काम है मतलब ना।
Maybe this is happening because power went and killed that one devil.
अच्छा जी, पावर जी।
Could have been using an ability to trap us here when it died.
Maybe.
So it never turned off its...
You commanded me to kill it, fool!
Nuh-uh!
When a devil dies, its powers are undone as well.
अच्छा।
That can't be it.
यानी कि उसकी वजह से तो नहीं हुआ।
Is the flesh piece reacting?
Not at all.
यानी कि गन डेविल है कि नहीं है?
In fact, it's gone completely still.
नहीं बिल्कुल सीधा है.
Meaning the devil that crossed our paths earlier was bait and we bit it hard. Whatever's
फंस गया.
doing this has got some tricks up his sleeve. Fresh ones too.
Okay, but if HQ doesn't hear from us in a while, won't they send other devil hunters as a type of
हाँ
search
और
party?
वो भी फंसेंगे.
Better cross all your fingers and toes and hope they don't find themselves in the same predicament as us.
इसको पैनिक अटैक आएगा कंफर्म. मैं तुम्हें बता रहा हूँ.
They
इसकी
can't
शक्ल
get in
देखो.
and we can't get out. Everybody here is gonna die. We'll slowly starve to death.
Oh boy.
Stay strong, okay?
Stay
Happy
strong.
thoughts. Gotta keep living as a devil hunter to put your brother through school, don't you?
I'm not doing it because I want to. My older brother's the gifted one, so his education is all that matters to my parents. Which is why they made me get a job.
कितनी बुरी बात है.
It was either become a devil hunter or a sex worker.
Oh.
I wanted to go to college, but
That
I'm
is
just
bad.
going to my
I feel bad. Power. What? What?
Stop laughing!
Stop. Power. What?
Kobeni, sweetheart. Fear is a devil's favorite.
कितनी बुरी बात है.
Be brave or you'll be their dinner.
Come on यार. बस कर पावर. हंस क्यों रही है? Stop.
Meeting you too, Aki?
क्या हुआ?
Notice the clock.
Clock
It's
को
read 8:18 for a lot longer than a minute.
Oh.
And it's not the only one. All the clocks on this
सबके
floor say
सब.
8:18.
That is a bad
Based
sign.
on that fact, I think it's possible time on the 8th floor has been frozen by a devil's power.
Time भी
And if
रोका
that's
हुआ
the
है.
case, we won't be receiving any help.
Oh boy.
No shit. We can sleep all we want now.
Denji, come on
Exactly
यार.
how stupid are you? Do you not get the gravity of
सच
our
में.
situation, or do you just not care if we're trapped in here forever?
I think he just doesn't
Gravity
care.
got to do with it. No one knows anything for sure. You do wake me up.
Come
This
on,
bed's dope as hell.
Denji, stop.
I'm wasted.
What is
Appreciate
happening?
this devil and have a nap.
Aki is also confused. वो कह रही है क्या बदतमीजी लगाई है डेंजी ने. सच्ची में सो गया. Oh.
He really fell asleep.
Oh.
Denji. Come on.
उठाओ
out of
यार
bed,
इसको.
sleepy.
उठाओ. उठाओ इसको.
You guys actually managed to find a way off of the 8th floor?
Hate to
बताओ.
break it to you, Cupcake, but not
Nope.
yet. We did learn the water and electricity work like normal while you were passed out. Though our greatest discovery has to be the food we found in the luggage some
Oh,
guests
शुक्र है.
left behind.
Thank you.
I won't
थोड़ा खाना
lie,
मिल गया.
everyone's pretty much at their wits' end.
क्या हुआ?
Aki's grit has him searching for the devil non-stop.
अभी
I
तक ढूंढ
told
रहा
him to take
है
a break,
बेचारा.
but I might as well have lectured a wall.
Hmm.
Arai was helping Aki at first, but then got
Arai.
hit by a panic attack. Now
ये
he's
भी.
bundled up and shut down in another
ओहो.
room.
ये भी बेचारा
Kobeni
पैनिक
freaks
अटैक.
to the point of trying to drink from a toilet bowl, so I knocked her out.
ओ भाई.
And of course, the fiend you brought with you.
Is she
power.
okay? Did something happen?
I'm thinking of ways to win the Nobel Prize in order to battle my boredom. For once I have earned such glorious esteem, all you humans will kowtow to me. I'll then make a stepping stone out of that gilded coin and snatch the Prime Minister's throne! Like
Yeah?
a way to ensure the suffering of lowly mortals. And my first act shall be to implement a 100% sales tax!
Nah, she's
Yeah?
always like that.
Oh, no
क्या
worries.
पागल है? क्या पागल
Let's
है?
take turns guarding Arai and Kobeni. I can't even take potty breaks when it's just me.
भाई ये बेचारे और 8th फ्लोर पे फंसे पड़े हैं. खाना भी नहीं, पानी भी नहीं. पैनिक अटैक आया पड़ा है दोनों को बेचारों को. उफ. तुम भाई फूंक लो पहले,
Bummer.
फूंक लो.
Down to my last cig.
शुक्र है.
I'm quite
Thirty
disappointed
lungs
by your
to
calm
come.
demeanor.
I'd be much more uptight if Aki weren't on the case. Though
Mhm.
there's one other factor for my stress-free mood.
क्यों?
The power of nicotine.
Nicotine.
Gotta take the edge off somehow, you know?
Yes,
A good
definitely.
addiction
I
is
get
about
it.
the only thing you can depend on in life.
इस पे
You
और डिपेंड
smoke
कर
the same
सकते
brand that
हैं.
he does.
हाँ. तूने
Of
कैसे
course he
नोटिस
has
किया?
these cigarettes. The one who taught him to savor the flavor was me.
तूने
I'm a
लगाया
good
उसको.
teacher.
बुरी. भाई रोकते हैं. ये फ्लैशबैक है?
You not gonna join me for a smoke?
हाँ, फिर
No.
फ्लैशबैक है.
Smoking rots your bones.
Great for
Yes.
socializing though, so that's an even trade.
Come
I'm
on.
looking to make friends.
Don't.
I know why you joined public safety. Set on killing the gun devil, right?
Yep. उसको गन डबल को
All
मारना
of
है.
you dark and broody types are an open book with the same plot. You want a piece of that damn gun, and we're the only ones with actual pieces. Us hunters aren't long for this world anyway. Not like smoking's gonna kill you.
Yep.
Well, I'm not
Smoking
biting
ने तुझे
anytime
मारेगी.
soon.
I'll hold you to that. It's a giant pain in the you-know-what to lose a partner.
किसने मारा? ओए, मारा क्यों उसको? आकी मार जाके. लगा
What was that?
रैप्टा मारे.
Smack.
क्यों?
Partner's girlfriend. Stuff like this is common with the family and friends of late partners.
कि कॉमन नहीं है.
They can't do anything to get back at the devils, so they take it out on us.
मार.
Sucks, but I just consider it something that comes with the territory.
नहीं
What
मार.
else can I do?
You can do something आकी go. मार जाके उसको जोर से. एक ऐसा रैप्टा. Slap. Bitch slap कर उसको. जैसे बेचारे
Where did
क्रेडल
you
को हुआ था.
go?
किधर जा रहे हो? Of course उसी को मारने जा
I
रहे हैं.
snuck up to the girl who hit you and stuck gum on her clothes.
Huh?
You shouldn't just take crap like that. And don't feel guilty either. I was pissed. So I set out for some payback.
What?
It serves her right. She's gonna waltz around all day, oblivious that there's gum on her.
Gum.
You reminded me of something my master always said. The kind
Yeah.
of hunter a devil fears most of all doesn't have to be strong or even brave for that matter. They're the ones with some screws loose and no screwdrivers. Which is why I believe you when you say you won't die.
Yes, he won't die.
Was that an insult? And more importantly, if you aren't gonna eat your almond tofu, then
नहीं नहीं
I'm
खा
taking-
लेगी. Oh, cigarette.
Take this instead.
Come on. Stop
It
it.
rots your bones, and I need mine.
I have a hunch this is going to be a long partnership, so it'd be awesome if you smoked.
Come on. क्यों उसको फोर्स कर रही है? उसका तो मुझे नाम भी नहीं याद. ना पकड़ना रेंजी.
I'm only
रेंजी
smoking
कह रहा हूँ.
one.
आकी.
This is the first and last cigarette I'll ever.
Last cigarette, definitely.
Could really go for a smoke. Please tell me you have some.
I'm sorry. This is the last one I've got.
Oh yeah? Then I get the rest of it.
Okay, sharing is caring.
Well, if you insist, you add it.
Cheater! You got an indirect kiss for free!
No.
Shut up.
Shut up, bhai. They are just friends.
I've got some bad news.
क्या?
Remember the freak of nature that we killed?
Yes,
You mean
छोटा
the
सा
freak of
गंदा
nature
सा.
that I killed?
नहीं यार उसने लड़की ने मारा था.
A lot bigger.
कितना बड़ा? ओए.
I could have sworn I sliced it in twain.
Traps us in a hotel and assumes a form like that? What the hell kind of devil is it?
Hear me, foolish as you are. I
Contact.
pray you'll be wise enough to accept this contract I offer.
कौन सा
Talk
contract?
and talk.
Contract
It's a
कौन सा?
contract, huh?
Feed me the human known as Denji,
क्यों?
dead or alive. Just let me eat him.
छोड़
Do
भाई.
so,
ना
and
ना.
I shall allow the rest of you devil hunters to leave here
No.
unscathed.
Stop
I
it.
won't harm a hair on your heads if you accept the contract.
ओ. कोबिना क्या नाम इसका? वही नहीं है. या अराय क्या नाम इसका? No. Stop. हैंडल सुकून से हैंडल करो सिचुएशन को प्लीज. सुकून से करेगा. देख के मार. ओ वाओ. यस देयर यू गो. नॉक हर आउट. कम ऑन. क्या मसला तुझे? मसला बता ना जरा. कैसे हंस रहे हैं. कम ऑन यार. कभी ना क्या नाम है जो
You're
भी है.
obnoxious. All right,
Achhi.
Aki, swallow it with your fox devil and let's put an end to
हाँ
this.
कम ऑन जल्दी से
Comb.
आजा.
I had a feeling it wouldn't show. We're cut off from the rest of the world after all.
ओके.
And the fox devil's somewhere chilling in Kyoto. That's fine. My ghost can handle
देयर
this.
यू गो. गोस्ट जाओ मार दो. ओ ही इज क्रीपी. व्हाट द हेल. अरे ये क्या हो रहा है? वापस क्यों आ रहा है यहाँ पे? इतना बड़ा क्यों हो रहा है?
It's futile. The form you're attacking is not my main body. My
Oh.
heart's not even close. Because you're inside my stomach. I'm practically invulnerable on the 8th floor.
Whoa.
You have to make a contract with me. If
निकलने
you
के
want
लिए।
to leave.
Liar. You ain't letting anyone out of here. Talk with no follow
It
through.
has to follow through.
Yeah.
The devil specifically said it would be a contract, right? Devils are very selective with such words because of how much sway they hold for them. So if one party makes good on the deal, the other has no choice but to honor it or else they'll perish. It's
Oh,
not just shooting
मानना
off
पड़ेगा।
too many mouths. We could murder you right now and leave less than a minute later.
We should kill him. Don't
नहीं,
you think, Miss Himeno?
अराई।
It would leave us down a hunter, but
Stop
at least we would be outside where we can regroup. If we don't, we'll end up starving like Kobeni said. Hunters are legally allowed to make
Kobeni.
contracts with devils, and you know it.
No,
The wisest course of action is to accept the offer.
Meeting a
no.
devil's demands really strikes you as wise? Look, it's unclear, but a dead Denji helps that thing somehow, which is why we're turning down the contract.
Well, there you have it, Arai.
Come on.
I am all for Team Kill Denji!
Hey!
My
Come
Nobel Prize will remain forever out of reach if I am unable to depart this warped hotel. Die for my award-winning idea.
Fiends
दे,
can't
power
make
मार दे।
legitimate pacts with devils. Even if you did feed it Denji, it wouldn't be
कुछ
compelled
नहीं
to let us
बनेगा
escape.
पावर के।
So Team Kill
क्योंकि वो fiend
Denji
है।
is disbanded. We're devil hunters.
Double hunters.
We only kill devils.
Let's go.
Shall we wrestle to cure our boredom?
I'm not wrestling the captain of Team Kill Denji.
चुप हो जा। अब क्या चल रहा है? सुकून से बैठे हुए हैं।
Hungry.
Do you have the vaguest idea for a plan to actually get us out of here, Aki?
If what the devil
Aki.
told us is accurate, then killing it is off the table. But Denji isn't dying either.
Good.
So the plan's to sit around and starve?
Yep. That's the plan.
Well, use the sword should worst really come to worst.
Like
वो
hell
क्या
you will.
करेगी?
If a couple swipes from your sword can fix this, then use it.
हाँ ना? वो
Nope,
क्या
we
करेगी?
aren't using it even if we have no other alternatives.
क्यों?
I'm sorry to say this, Denji, but you're toast if it comes to that.
क्यों?
It's gone? All of it?
खाना।
Our one blessing was finding food. Now it's gone.
किसने खाया?
You
What
just
is
ate everything.
wrong with you,
Gobbled it all
power?
in one go.
'Twas not me. It's Denji's.
Why tell
झूठ
me a lie that's so obvious?
झूठ
I get it. I understand now. The fiend! Our ability is keeping us on the 8th floor! That just has to be
नहीं कोबी नहीं चुप हो जा
incorrect.
You aren't making any sense. This
चुप
is
हो
the
जा
blood fiend, so calm down.
You're taking her side, and you
फिर
call
से
yourself a devil
फिर
hunter.
से कर रहा तू ये कर रही है तू काम
With
ये
them all along, haven't
Shut
you?
up.
You're a ride the spy! Ooh, there's pie.
I wouldn't work with the devils as a spy, ever.
I know what you are!
happening oh
Who's screaming?
Run now.
what is wrong with them there you go good music
Give me his heart.
Give it! I grow as your fear grows.
oh
Your trepidation will be your
यानी कि
undoing.
जितना डरेंगे
Let your
उतना ही बड़ा हो
terrors
जाएगा
take hold.
यार कोबी को मारो पकड़ के अराई को भी इन दोनों को मार दो
The one who succeeds in killing the chainsaw will remain.
come on
Only eternity, devil!
what is happening
Oh, it's tilting.
oh boy इसके ऊपर कुछ आके लगे ना फिर मजा आए पागल सी लगा क्या नहीं साइड पे लगा ओके हैंग दे धक्का मार धक्का मारो
Deliberation time's come and gone.
धक्का
Pay
मारो
up to the devil and get it over with.
पावर तू ही बांध दे
I'm using the sword. Are you
उसने
okay
है
with
क्या
that, Himeno?
हिम है ना
No. Don't.
क्या
Whoa, not cool. What's the deal here, lady?
The sword is very handy, and
Yeah.
yes, we probably could escape if he used its power. But it cuts Aki's lifespan. Every use shaves off a huge chunk of it. He's got way too much to live for to get shortchanged like that.
Yep.
So I'm sorry. I really am.
Me too! Yeah, then get off!
ओ वो गलत हो रहा है सब कुछ काम पावर का पता नहीं क्या मसला हो रहा है ओए नहीं आकी ओ गॉड आकी पे लग गया ओह माय गॉड भाई ये क्या था पागल हो तुम लोग जाहिल आदमी लड़की जाहिल लड़की कोबिना या कीबिना या कमीना हेमिना
Sure, he's a prick. Maybe he deserves a good stab.
Yep.
But this stab-worthy piece of shit wants the gun devil dead. So I need him. Because I can't end that thing by myself.
come on
To actually pull off the kill, I need devil hunters with the guts to fight it. As
Oh boy.
many as I can get. If the price for that is some of my own life, I'll pay it. The point is, I'm not letting Tenchi die here.
oh boy so
Power! Since you're the blood fiend, can you keep him from bleeding
हाँ
out?
कुछ करो हाँ
I
कुछ कर
have
सकते
total control over my own blood, not the blood of others.
okay
I'm doubtful I could achieve it. Though if Top Knox comes to his injury, I suppose I'll be in need of a new cook, yes? Thus, I'm obligated to try at least.
oh boy तेरी वजह से हुआ
What do we
क्या नाम है
do?
लड़की का हेमिना
What do we do now? Aki, please tell me.
प्लीज
What do we
आकी
do?
भाई तुम्हें भी पैनिक अटैक आ रहा है
None of this would have happened if it weren't for him.
शट
I've
अप
been good and let it eat
इसे
you.
कहो कि सीधी हो जाए अब मैंने ना मारना है इसको
Jeez, enough already.
Wait, क्या?
Back a clock.
what
But I ain't about to slide down its throat without a fight.
oh good
So if I manage to take out
Let's
this
go.
king-sized fuckface, I better still get my kiss. You
Oh, boy.
promised that'd be the reward.
Have you a strategy in mind to win?
nope I don't
It'll
think so
hurt real bad. I'm gonna use my chainsaws.
okay there you go
Chainsaws?
Yeah, that's right.
इसको नहीं पता
I figured this nightmare fuel is scared of him for some reason. That's why it hasn't messed with me head on yet. It wants you guys to do it instead. Its heart might not be here, but it still cried out in pain when it got attacked earlier.
yep
Invulnerable my butt.
Hmm.
I'm tearing this whiny wimp up till it
There you
can't
go.
take no more. Till it wants to kill itself.
good भाई
An incredibly devilish notion indeed.
devilish notion वो बेचारा नीचे हंस रहा है पागलों की तरह
Mind your own business next time, dickhead. I'm through owing anybody anything.
yep
No more debts for me.
let's go
We're even Steven the second you're out of here.
there you go Denji oh boy
वेल तुम लोगों ने देखा आज की एपिसोड थी कम ऑन यार तुम लोगों को मानना पड़ेगा आज की एपिसोड बहुत अच्छी थी आई थिंक मेरी फेवरेट अभी तक की एपिसोड थी चेनसॉ मैन की लाइक रियल में सच्ची में काफ़ी मज़ा आया मुझे तो एपिसोड का बकाया मे बी मैं इसी एपिसोड के बाद ही मैं ये एपिसोड का रिएक्शन करूँ क्योंकि मुझे बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है एक्चुअल में और वो भी वीडियो मतलब साथ ही थोड़ी देर तक अपलोड हो जाएगी इस वीडियो के अपलोड होने के बाद क्योंकि मैं ऐसा नहीं कर सकता एपिसोड मतलब अगले एपिसोड बाद में आ जाए जैसे सातवीं एपिसोड पहले आई हो छठी या बाद में अपलोड हो फिर तो मैं करने से रहा मे बी आज ही मैं रिकॉर्ड कर लूँ यानी कि कल तक आप लोगों को कंफर्म मिल जाएगा बकाया गेमिंग चैनल के लिए थोड़ा सा यार वेट करना अगर तुम लोग यहाँ पर देख रहे हो और अगर तुमने गेमिंग की कोई वीडियो देखनी है तो जाओ जाकर कोई और देख लो अभी लेकिन फेस कैम की जो अभी कोई नहीं आ रही मिलते हैं यार आप लोगों से वीडियो में तब तक के लिए गुड बाय।